Vijayadashami, also known as Dashera, Dasara or Dashain, is a major Hindu festival celebrated all over the subcontinent in various forms and in different ways. It is celebrated on the 10th day of the Navratri, which falls in the month of Ashwin according to the Hindu calendar. And as for the Gregorian months, it falls in the months of September or October. In the southern, northeastern and few northern parts of our country, Vijayadashami is also celebrated as the end of the Durga Puja. It is also remembered as the win of Goddess Durga over the evil demon Mahishasura to protect and save Dharma. On the very same occasion, Arjuna alone decimated and killed over 10 lakh soldiers during the epic war Mahabharata, and also many Kuru warriors like Bhishma, Krupacharya, Dronacharya, Karna, Ashwathama, marking as an example of good dharma over evil adharma. In northern, central and western parts of our country, Vijayadashami is celebrated little differently. It is celebrated as Ram Leela. You know Ram Leela? The Lord Rama's victory over Ravan. Many dance, drama, music-based plays are performed like Ramcharitmanas and Ram Leela in different parts by different people, and I think they love portraying the positive and negative roles and demonstrate the dharma winning over adharma. Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam. Shri Ram, Shri Ram.
पूर्वं राम तपोवनादिगमनं हत्वा मृगं काञ्चनं वैदेही हरणं जडायुमरणं सुग्रीवसम्भाषणम् बाली निग्रहणं समुद्रतरणं लङ्कापुरी दहनं पश्चात् रावण कुम्भकर्णहननम् एतश्री रामायणं
celebrations come to an end with lot of light, fireworks. Towering effigies of Ravana, Meghnada and Kumbhakarna are burnt, and people celebrate the destruction of evil by the good. The winning of dharma over adharma.
Ramayana is the story of triumph of good over evil, and Ram Leela is a festival celebrated to re-establish the good. Celebration of good as the guiding factor of one's life? How does one celebrate good? How can the school make this symbolic event of Ram Leela as a personal experience yet create some value within each acorn? This question gave rise to a new festival in the school, the Good Habits Festival. From reflecting on what a bad habit is and accepting it as something that can be left aside, from shedding inhibitions to writing them on paper, from sharing them with parents, friends, and teachers to flashing them with beaming smiles.
Hi everyone, my name is Ahana. I'm for Silver Oaks, and today I'm going to burn my bad habits, and today I'm going to tell my bad habits. My first bad habit is I will be sad and crying and not drinking so much water, and I'm going to burn it, and then I'm going to be a good girl. Hello, I am Aryan from grade 3 Nigeria. My bad habits are I always play with stationery, throw belongings, and do many more bad things. Today is Ram Leela, and I am going to burn my bad habits and not let them come back again. I will be a good boy.
From cheering for the Ravan burning to burning the bad habits, from believing the burnt to be ashes and working to build the good. the Good Habits Festival is the triumph of good over evil, a promise to build the good and shed the bad.
I remember when we were told to write down our bad habits on the left side and our good habits on the right side of the notebook. To be honest, I was so confused. Like, my first thought was, I have no bad habits. But then I got to thinking and I started wondering, what are my good habits? I remember the examples that they gave us at school were like, beating your siblings, watching too much TV, spending too much time on the computer. And I was like, are these really bad habits? Like, these are things that all of us do all the time.
Yeah, on that note, like we were given certain other examples, like teasing our classmates and gossiping and wasting time. And once these examples were given, they rang a bell inside my head. These were things we all did, and we never considered them as bad habits. But once we wrote them down, once we understood them, that's when we realized, like, these are certain bad habits that we all have. As I wrote them down on the left side of my list, the list kept getting longer and longer of the bad habit side rather than the good habits.
I'm sure it did.
Right. Yeah.
I remember even for me, like that day in the assembly in the morning, they had said that once you burn these habits, you can't let them come back. And surprisingly, I took that very seriously. And that day when I burned my bad habits, I wrote my bad habits down on that piece of paper and I burned them. I told myself that I'm never going to let those bad habits come back, and I never did.
Although when we were writing down these bad habits, it took me some time to figure out what my bad habits were. And once I wrote them down, once I understood them, I was ready. I was ready to burn the bad in me and celebrate the good.
राम ही तो करुणा में है, शांति में राम है, राम ही है एकता में, प्रगति में राम है। राम बस भक्तों नहीं, शत्रु की भी चिंतन में है। देख तज के पाप रावण, राम तेरे मन में है, राम तेरे मन में है, राम मेरे मन में है, राम तेरे मन में है, राम मेरे मन में है। राम तो घर घर में है, राम हर आंगन में है। मन से रावण जो निकाले, राम उसके मन में है। मन से रावण जो निकाले, राम उसके मन में है।
So, Ishani and Shaunak, amidst all the din and dancing, Batkama festival has its own unique place. Nature worship has been a cultural tradition for ages now. Cleansing of water sources after monsoon, using natural fighters like Tangeda Puli, which are common in the state of Telangana, has become a unique thing, and that is how Batkama festival is celebrated and found its cultural and environmental importance in the celebration of Dashera. What do you think about this? That's true, ma'am. I mean, Batkama, Dashera, us doing the Dandiya at school. I mean, all these festivals, thanks to the celebration that happened at school. One, I have really fond memories from all of that. And two, I think I've learned more about it, and these are traditions I truly want to take forward now.
Yeah, like you were just saying, thanks to these celebrations at school, we've actually understood the meaning and what these festivals actually mean.
the true sense of
Yeah.
each festival
Yeah.
and how we can interpret in our lives and to the future generation.
Right. Right.